The Lord said unto me, bring this and lift it up before his people and break their idols in their faces. And I'm not afraid to do what thus said God, because he knows why. I might not be able to explain this. I might not be able to understand this. But the Lord said unto me, break their idols, tear down their strongholds, pull them up, pluck them up, dash them down. And I've come today to do what thus said God. You prepare this by putting it in a bag for me. I have done what thus